Your car gauge is pinned to the red. Steam is billowing from under the hood. You pull over, grab a bottle of freezing cold water, and get ready to dump it straight into the radiator. Stop right there. Doing that is a guaranteed way to destroy your motor in seconds. It turns a simple tow truck call into a catastrophic failure costing you thousands of dollars. When your engine overheats, it is operating at extreme temperatures, far beyond its normal limits. The heavy metal components, like the engine block and the cylinder head, are completely expanded from that intense heat. When you suddenly introduce freezing cold water to this superheated metal environment, you trigger a violent physical reaction known as thermal shock. Thermal shock happens because the metal rapidly cools and shrinks exactly where the cold water hits it, while the rest of the engine remains fully expanded. This creates an immediate and severe uneven contraction. The metal experiences massive conflicting stress forces. The result is almost always a cracked engine block or a severely warped cylinder head. Metal simply cannot withstand that kind of rapid temperature shift without fracturing. Instead of a simple fix, like replacing a stuck thermostat or patching a leaking coolant hose, you are now looking at completely replacing the engine. If your car overheats, pull over safely and turn off the ignition immediately. Pop the hood to let the heat escape, but never open the radiator cap while the engine is hot. Pressurized boiling coolant will spray out and cause severe burns. Wait at least 45 minutes to an hour for the engine to cool down naturally. Only when the metal is cool should you add a proper mix of coolant and water or room temperature water in an emergency to get you to a mechanic. Patience will save your engine. Cold water will destroy it.